We could just hand SprinklerDude Jr. All right, let's see what we got here in the first box. We'll put this knife safely back here. Camouflage. Oh, sweet. It's a lunchbox.
Oh, the update.
Or at least it looks that way to me. Looks like, oh, sweet, t-shirts. We got a Tempo Communication shirt. That's actually a really nice looking shirt. It's nice and soft. And then, well, that's not going to fit me, so I think it should go on you. Here, hand me the phone.
Yeah.
You put that on. I'll go ahead and put this to the side for right now. Let him put his shirt on. What else we got in this little thing? We got a Tempo hat. Sweet. Didn't have one of those. You got to love the camouflage. Yeah. Hey, wasn't that one of your words recently, bud? Camouflage. A Tempo patch. What else do we got in here? Sweet. I was going to open it to see what color it was, but little window there made it easy on us.
Stainless steel bottle.
Maybe I'll let you use that in the field while we're out in the field working together.
That would be cool. Let's open this.
And last but not least in here, we got some Tempo pens. I will definitely use those. And I actually needed a new carabiner, so that's convenient. Thanks, guys. Oh, we got the bucket bag. This thing's awesome. I like to carry around a bucket with me so that I can put my trash in it. And I carry that bucket in my cart that you guys see me use. Now I can carry around the bucket for the trash and the tools, and they don't have to sit around in the bottom of my cart anymore. This will be a nice addition to the toolkit. That's awesome.
This is what the bottle looks like.
Oh, sweet. It even has the Tempo Communications logo on it. You got it all figured out. And the carabiner, wherever I put that.
You can move this part so it's...
Right. You can attach the carabiner to that and attach that to your belt. And then you can walk around with that on your belt all day and you're ready to go. This is Tempo's newest addition to the irrigation industry, the 521E locator.
This is exactly what I remember.
Go ahead and take this off real quick. And let's take a look at it. Let's see if I can get it to sit right there. Perfect. Oh, I love how that just... Hold on, I got to do that again. Show that. It just pops right open. Nice and easy. That's really nice. Nice and rugged.
This is a scanner, right?
That's the handheld part. That's the receiver.
You hold it like this, right?
No.
Oh, you hold it.
You hold it like this.
Oh, yeah. I remember that. It looks like... It actually looks like...
It's a locator, just like any other locator.
It looks like a metal detector.
Except we're searching for wires underground. Isn't this cool? It's carbon fiber.
Oh, yeah. That feels really good.
It's done on purpose so that it's strong. And if you accidentally maybe step on it on the ground, it won't snap on you. It's built to be rugged. That's awesome. Just like these clips that I was so fascinated with a few minutes ago. Truth be told, I know all about this locator because I actually got to see it at the IA show this past year. So I've already been through all of this, but I am going to open it up and we're going to turn it on and check it out. If you guys will stick with us, I'll get some batteries in this right now. Go ahead and open up the battery thing over there, bud, and get me the Big D batteries. And I'll show you guys something cool. Other locators on the market, pretty much all of them, use 8D batteries. This locator only uses 6.
Oh, 6.
Two less batteries to worry about in this part of the locator. And I'll show you what we have to do in that one in a second. We'll go ahead and... It's meant to put out a lot of power so that you can trace the wire that it's connected to. Put the last one in right there. Good stuff. We'll go ahead and get the door back over it. There we go. Alrighty. Now that we got that little guy in there.
Oh, you get this.
This is the grounding rod.
We need that.
All right, go ahead and show them what you think is important on there while I go get a screwdriver.
All right, so that's gonna be gone, guys. This is very important because for like the wires and stuff. Since Dad is going to get the screwdriver, we have this, and we have this is a big thing. This puts out a lot of power. So you need like 6 batteries for this.
Good job, bud. You're holding them over. Leave Justin a comment if you're watching. All right, I really wanted to show you guys this because this is really cool. This thing looks like there's only 2 batteries that go in here, but it's actually a battery pack. What we're gonna need are the 4 green batteries over there. So go over there and grab me the 4 green batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and get all 4 of these batteries in. Yes, I wanna make a comment on the batteries that I'm using because it's really important that you choose the right batteries for your locator.
We're using Amazon.
Well, these are temporary for the purposes of showing you guys the tool. But when you go to use this in the field, guys, you saw me put in Publix batteries in there, which is my local supermarket. Just for demonstration purposes today, I will be taking those out and I'll be replacing them with Duracell batteries because
do we have
this is no, we don't have Duracell in there. because this tool relies on the power you put into it to do its job. And if it doesn't have adequate power, it's not going to do its job the way you want it to do its job. You'd have a hard time locating a valve with very dead batteries. It's good to have fresh batteries and to use the best batteries you can get your hands on. And in my case, it would be Duracell. All right, we've got all of the batteries connected. Everything's all connected up. I just want to make sure things aren't touching because I want to play with stuff. Let's go ahead.
We should unbox this.
These are headphones. They're pretty straightforward. You would connect them.
Yeah, right here, guys.
You would connect it right there, and then you would be able to put the headphones on so you can listen to the tone. I actually don't use headphones very often, although in some situations, if I'm working next to a road, it does make it easier. You can actually, you saw it, you can actually remove this right out of the case. Then all you're working with are just these two things. So with the leads in a safe place, check this out. This display, it's not very bright out here right now, actually. The heck with it. Let's go over here to the sunlight, buddy. Let it hit the locator here. As you can see, it's in direct sunlight, and you can perfectly see the display even through the camera. Direct sunlight there. I'm leaning it up so that the sun hits it the most. They made this display very, very easy to see, and it's very simple to use. You can go ahead and back up.
There's a green part right here.
Yes, so that green part is going to tell you your signal strength, and since I don't have it connected to anything, it's not going to show that. All right, so come up here. We're going to go ahead and turn on the receiver, and just like the transmitter, the receiver screen is extremely easy to read in the sunlight. And I'll even take it out here, direct sunlight, and with the exception of the glare, because of cameras, you can see it, or at least it's hard for me to see it through the phone and on the screen, but I know that you can see it. Very easy to see out in the field. There you go, we'll turn it up. There's that noise we're all used to hearing. Ever since Greenlee, now it's tempo. This is the 521E, guys. And I'll be using this in the field in the very, very near future. Oh wait, I should show you the battery level is also shown on here. So my rechargeable batteries aren't full, but at least it lets me know how much time I got left to use my receiver. I'm doing this in collaboration with Tempo Communications. I definitely wanted to get out into the, what's up?
The letter.
Oh, we didn't forget the letter, guys. We'll get to the letter right now. Let me shut this down. Let me shut this down and make sure everything's off. Thank you for your continued support and partnership. We are very pleased to be working with you, especially for the 521E, which we are very proud of. We hope you like the locator and the extra little gifts. If there's anything you need from us, please don't hesitate to reach out. And then it's Ashley and Alejandro and the rest of the team at Tempo. You guys are awesome. Thank you. I'm going to have a blast with this. We're going to find some valves. We're going to make some people happy that didn't have irrigation before we showed up with this tool, and they will have it after we're done using this tool. But either way, thank you guys at Tempo. I'm super happy about this. We're going to get out in the field with this thing, and we're going to put it to the test, and we're going to see how quickly we can find valves. And I'll even put it to the test with this guy. He's found some valves in the past, so he can do it.
I've actually used the exact same tool before.
So he's confident already. All right, thanks for joining me, everybody. I'll see you guys out in the field next week.